Aircraft wings are essential aerodynamic components that generate lift, enabling an aircraft to fly. Wings come in various types, each designed for specific purposes and performance characteristics. Here are some common types of aircraft wings. Straight wing. The straight wing is the simplest and most basic wing design. It has a straight leading edge and a straight trailing edge, forming a rectangular or trapezoidal shape. Straight wings provide good low-speed handling and are commonly found on light aircraft, trainers, and some general aviation airplanes. Swept wing. Swept wings have a backward or rearward angle along the wing's leading edge. This design helps reduce drag at high speeds by delaying the onset of airflow separation and maintaining a more favorable aerodynamic configuration. Swept wings are commonly used on supersonic and high-speed aircraft, including fighter jets and commercial airliners. Delta wing. Delta wings have a triangular shape, with a straight leading edge and a sharply tapered trailing edge. They offer high maneuverability and are commonly found on supersonic fighter aircraft and some high-performance experimental aircraft. Delta wings provide high lift at low speeds and generate strong vortices, which aid in maneuvering and stability. Tapered wing. Tapered wings feature a gradual decrease in chord, wing width, from the root, wing's center, to the tip, outer end. This design reduces wing weight and drag while improving overall efficiency. Tapered wings are commonly used on many modern aircraft, including commercial airliners and general aviation airplanes. Elliptical wing. The elliptical wing shape resembles an ellipse when viewed from above. This wing design offers excellent aerodynamic efficiency and low drag, providing smooth and efficient airflow. The famous Supermarine Spitfire from World War II is a well-known example of an aircraft with an elliptical wing. Swept back wing. Swept back wings have a backward angle along the entire span of the wing, including both the leading and trailing edges. This design reduces drag and improves high-speed performance, stability, and control. Swept back wings are commonly used on high-speed jets and some commercial airliners. Biplane and triplane wings. Biplane wings consist of two sets of wings stacked one above the other, while triplane wings feature three sets of wings. These configurations offer increased lift and maneuverability, but at the cost of increased drag. Biplane and triplane wings were common in early aircraft designs but are rarely used in modern aviation. It's important to note that different aircraft types and designs may combine or modify these wing types to achieve specific performance characteristics, such as high-lift devices, flaps, slats, for improved takeoff and landing capabilities, or winglets for reducing drag and improving fuel efficiency. The selection of wing type depends on factors such as the aircraft's intended purpose, speed requirements, maneuverability needs, and overall design goals.